Karma Guy here. Check out this 1995 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E320 with extremely low miles and a clean Carfax. With over $3,835 in recent service, including spark plugs, washer pump, rear shock absorbers, front struts, thermostat, radiator, and a coolant flush, this car is ready for the road. It's a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, so don't wait. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.